Well, good morning, everybody. Today is a lovely day from Liverpool, and it's actually so lovely, it is 28 degrees in the bloody north in September. So, Bliss and I are going to go to Crosby Beach, a really cool touristy place with naked metal bodies. Liverpool, one hot day, we got on the bathing suit. Woohoo! Let's go. Here we go. Paper tickets. I remember these. Thank you. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Hope you put it in the right way, because I didn't. That way. Hey. So we're at the Liverpool Central, and we've got to go all the way up to... Oh, there's Formby, but we're going to Crosby. There it is. So Bliss, what are your thoughts on the Liverpool Underground line? Does Sheffield have this?
Okay.
Wow. I'm just impressed. Good job, Liverpool. You've got good public transit. You said this is like going to the caves?
Yeah, and you get a little rail through the caves.
It feels more like New York to me, genuinely. There's just something about the industrial style with the open look. It just looks like a coincidence, like there just happened to be a rail going through, and then they built the whole thing around it. Liverpool's so spooky, they have a big ghost problem. As you can see, there's a ghost running on the platform, so don't let your shoes get taken by a ghost. You know what? I'll say it. This place reminds me of New Jersey a little bit. We got the big, wide roads, houses, detached houses on the side. Like, it feels like a suburb. We're like in a...
I'd say it is probably a suburb.
We're in a suburb, except with the McMansions. Like, these homes are quite large. They've got, like, multiple cars. Wow, it feels like, I know this was like, what, 20-minute train journey? So I guess it is a suburb. I'm just surprised at the American feel for me. But why did they have to go with Comic Sans? What?
Honestly, if anything, I'd say for primary schools, it's a perfect font.
Is it?
Yeah.
Because it's lighthearted.
And childlike.
I don't want my kids to live in a comic book, okay? I want them to go learn.
It's all round.
I want some Helvetica Noi. Oh, it's very windy. Wow, that was a quick walk. So if you're in Liverpool, would recommend. It's 20-minute train to get here, and then we got some big sand dunes. All we see is sky for forever. Look at this sky, kind of crazy. Really nice so far. Excited to see these weird bodies. Drinking some CBD drinks for the chills today. Going for a trip. We've got sand. The UK is full of so many pebbles, but look at this. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Wow. Whoa. Well, no, I think the beach is over that way. Oh my God, I literally thought that thing out there. I thought that was a guy.
I was like, wow, he's really contemplating life.
No, I think that's one of the statues. He's really contemplating life out there, you know? He's just, there's more of them. They're all around. That's so weird. So as I said, one of the main reasons we came to Crosby Beach as opposed to some of the other ones are these peculiar men here. Now he's got some interesting features. This is one of the cast iron statues at the beach. Interesting pancake nipples, and age restricted the video. Thank you, Mr. Anthony Gormley. So interestingly enough, there are 100 of these cast iron statues littered around this beach as an art installation. So you'll see them all staring emotionlessly. And interestingly enough, as a fun fact about these, as you saw, there is quite an uncircumcised cast iron penis. Well, they're actually modeled after the artist himself. So that's him. And ladies, if you're interested, he's right there. You got the digits. What the fuck? Oh my God, it's so slippy. Oh my God. Break the camera. Winds. You know, you might be wondering, why did he make 100 of these? Well, it seems like a lot of men really want, you know, to send their nudes. This guy wanted to send 100 of the same nude, and the reason he did this was to drum up tourism, because he expected that putting 100 statues of his naked body around a beach would drum up tourism. It kind of worked. I guess you could say he nuded away to get tourism. Time to swim. Yeah, what's your opinion on his nipples?
Oh, right, I see. got distracted by his penis. They're quite coiny nipples.
I said pepperoni.
Oh, yes.
Great. Wow, that guy's got such a big peen. Just like this guy. So I've been to many beaches across many different countries in my life, and this is the first sandy beach I've been to in the UK. And see, in the US, when we say sand, we mean like nice white sand, and when you step in the wet sand, it's just kind of cool and soothing. Here though, all right, so tell me what this looks like to you. Because I've never stepped in human excrement, but I feel like maybe this is where the sewage system of Liverpool goes, you know? This, oh my God, it's just grim. Is this the beach to you? It's still so far to get to the freaking water because the tide's gone out, but I just want to know, is this normal? All right, in the UK, you get pebble beaches, or you get, it looks so beautiful. Just your little footprints in the, this is a beach. This is where I'm at right now. It is, okay, that was very deep. Oh God, oh God. How you doing?
I'm trying to find like higher ground. And oh, to be fair, this is less deep.
That's not bad.
This way, further away from the sea.
But I want to get to the sea. We have made it to the water. Yay!
How muddy it is.
It's pretty muddy. It's actually like swimming in mud. And look, that guy's swimming next to the guy. There's just so, how did he even put that one out there?
The beautiful British beaches. The nice, beautiful brown water.
No danger. That is very good to know. No danger. Explain what we've just found, please.
I don't know.
Okay.
All I think is that it's some sort of worm that comes up and then it makes a little worm trail and then it goes back under.
Yeah, I've never seen these before. Wow, look at them all.
And then you can just look. Just get rid of their trails.
So,
What is it?
if anyone knows what these weird wormy things are in the muddiest beach in the world, please say. I feel like I'm covered in sand, covered in mud. Just had a really nice Mr. Whippy with the rainbow jimmies, just because it's my favorite. It's my favorite thing to get when I used to go to the boardwalk, except it'd be like the creamsicle one from Core Brothers. But we're now gonna get a pizza, because that's for me. I feel like go to the beach, get a slice of boardwalk pizza, mac and mac, but they don't have a boardwalk. So we're gonna walk to Crosby, a little 25-minute walk, hopefully get some good pizza. Originally, I think we were gonna go to another beach as well, but I think that's because a lot of the times I like to do this thing where instead of just enjoying one thing, I try and do as many things as possible and not have any time to enjoy them. So we got to just kind of chill at the beach and relax the first time in ages. And that was nice. So we're continuing our walk, and the homes here are so big, and they just remind me of the homes next to Chiswick Mall. They're like such big places. Big wide street. Look at this crazy sunset. Wow. So as someone who's lived in London for 9 years now, I make videos about London, I always get northerners and people from not London saying, well, London, the price of a pint is outrageous. Could never live there. So much cheaper in the north. Now, I've gotten a lot of pints since coming to Liverpool, and at this point, I'm now not even in like Liverpool centre, all right? I'm off the beaten path in like the Chiswick of Liverpool, Crosby. This Amstel, a little full pint here, £3.90. It's really not that much cheaper, right? I would have expected it, you know, with all the fanfare about like pints are super cheap. But no, I expected this to cost maybe like £3 at all total, right? £3.90 is like 10p cheaper than what I can get in London. So like, God, cut it out. Whew, that about does it for today. Is giant day in Liverpool. Tomorrow, another big day. If you want to see my previous one though, you can watch this one right here. Other than that, future Evan, hope you're doing well. Hope you're a bit more stable, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.